Hello children, welcome to Kids Factory. My name is Sureda. Today I am going to share a story with you. Yes, the story about the king of the forest. Do you know who is the king of the forest? Yes, you are right. The lion is the king of the forest. So, today I am going to share a story about the lion and the little mouse. Once upon a time, there was a mighty king. Yes, the mighty lion with a large fur was very tired hunting from the morning, lied under a large shady tree to take a short nap. See, the lion is snoring. Some small mouses living on the foot of a tree was scrambled over the king of the forest. They were disturbing the lion. But just as the small tiny mouse crawled over the lion woke up. He was very angry. He put his paw, a large paw, on a tiny mouse and captured. He was begging to the king, "Oh my lord, I am sorry for disturbing your sleep. Please spare my life. I will help you on some other day." The lion was, "Ha ha ha, you poor little mouse, going to save my life? Ha ha ha. Please, I apologize my mistake. Please spare my life." Now the king feel pity, okay, and lifted his paw from the little mouse. He set the little mouse free. Now the little mouse was very happy. He ran to his home. After some time, the lion was walking majestically in a forest. You know what happened? He accidentally stepped into a trap. A trap was made by a hunter. The trap was made up of a thick rope. He captured the lion and pulled up to a tree. The mighty lion struggled to make him free, but he couldn't. He was frightened and afraid. His roar rumbled to the forest. Oh, oh. The little mouse can hear the voice of the lion. He could remember the kindness of the lion. The little mouse ran to the lion and he could see the lion was struggling in a net. The little mouse got an idea. What he did? He used his sharp teeth to bite the rope. He bit the rope and set the lion free. The lion thanked the little mouse. Now, both the lion and the little mouse were friends forever. Both of them had learnt a story. We should help somebody who had helped us. We should help others who are in a need. So children, the moral of the story is, good deeds are always rewarded. The moral of the story is, good deeds are rewarded. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on next video. Bye children.